Today we got something very special for me because the other day I was visiting my cousin. We were very close when we were young, and he found his old Game Boy Color, but also, and most important to me, my actual cartridge of Pokemon Gold, the one which I was playing when I was young, many years ago.
It's been 84 years.
So he told me the Game Boy is not working. 1871. I don't know what this means. I don't know, I don't remember. I will ask. It's quite dirt. I think he tried to fix it because the screws are lost and maybe that's why it's broken. Let's take a look inside. What do we have here? We can see this is not okay. This is sulfated. There is rust. Okay, let's try it. Maybe it was. Oh! It's working. I think that's the problem. Oh, even I can hear the sound. Oh, nothing on the screen. But I'm getting sound. And the Game Boy is turning on. Oh, yes! It's getting stuck. Also, the buttons were not working. Okay, maybe another time about the contact. Oh, this is... Yes. Looks dirty.
That is one big pile of shit.
Very sulfated. Oh, look at this. Let's try again. Game is working, but the buttons are not. This is a problem. It's not working at all. I don't know, but maybe it's because of this, this, and this. Let's make a deep clean. Look much nicer than before. Okay, I see the problem. I was blind. There is not even copper in here. It's like the corrosion. Take it off, all of them. There's nothing here, almost nothing here. Here is the same. If you compare with this, so I have to restore the lines. Don't know how. Let's make some research. This is a chaos. I'm gonna clean everything and start over. So this looks after opening and cleaning this. These two pins should giving me connectivity. So if I'm right, it means the switch is working again. Now we have to solder it back. Now I'm going to test if the switch is working. Oh yes. Look at this. It's working. Next thing I want to try is this cable is connected to the ground and I close the circuit with the positive A button. It should be pressed. Sure. I think. I don't really know. Let's try. If I put here, it's like pressing start. It should be like pressing A. Haha. And I'm going to explain how I'm going to fix it. I'm actually learning about electronics with this project. This is the live. This is the live. This two is for A button and this for B button. How this works is connecting the live with the ground, with any ground. That's close the circuit and then it's like pressing the button. So when you press the button is pressing all the area. So it's connecting live and ground together. But the line is connected to this exactly point. I tried fixing it by adding solder where the copper used to be, but that didn't work. I also tried using a copper ink pen, but it never really dried. Total fail. After that, I found out some guy named Frogo had a repair kit for this, but it was out of stock everywhere. So, using his video and this diagram, I decided to improvise my own solution. What I'm going to do is to put some copper tape here and here, and here, and here, like in the original place. And I'm going to connect with a cable, the light to this point, and the ground to any other ground. And like that should be working. Let's try. You can solder this copper. Let's try. Finger crossed. Yes. Yes, yes. This isn't working yet, but this is working. This is working. Yes, yes. Oh. Oh, yes. 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 Ah. Okay. So this is how I fix it. This is the channel for the positive, for the A button, and this is the positive for the B button. And this is ground. So I just connected that and used the copper tape. It's not working. I cannot push the buttons. What the fuck is your problem? Oh, okay. I got the problem. This was in the wrong location. This time it's gonna work. I hope. I hope. I hope. I hope. I hope. Okay, I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. I'm gonna check the buttons before. I'm going to check everything before the screws. Okay, this is working. Everything seems to work. Let's see after the screws. And everything is working well. Now, why now is not working the start button? It was working before. Oh shit. Look what I did. I have to do it again because the start button wasn't working. So I did the same for the start button, only for the positive lane because the ground one is working. Let's try one more time. Oh, yes, it's working. All the buttons are working. Yes, all is working. What about the sound? What about the sound? Why? This shit. Oh. And again and again. I just wanna die. Of course. Ah. Oh, sound is working. Everything seems to be working. So finally, this is done. My cousin gave me back the Game Boy Color because the screen was blinking and losing the power and doing strange things. And then I noticed this diode was not the original one. It was here before, but I changed the position because the line is broken. Because he gave the Game Boy Color to another technician years ago, and when he changed the diode, I think he overheat this contrast regulator. So I just did a reflow, and now it's working fine.